Hello guys, welcome on the last part of register and login tutorial in Godot engine. On the previous part we made the register system in Godot and I registered the first user. On this video, we will make the login system. Before we start, please like, subscribe, click the bell to get notified for new videos. Join my Discord server and the server of my game. Help my work by donating in PayPal, and become a Patreon. Thanks. Open Godot engine and make a new scene for login page.
2,000 years later.
I designed it on my own. Initialize a new script. Find the HTTP node and load it inside the scene. To integrate the nodes inside the script, just copy-paste the code we made on the previous video. Click on the submit button, go to signals list and connect the signal named pressed into the script. Connect the signal of the HTTP node. Before you send this request, check if user typed a username and a password. Because if we send the request with the same way as we made on the previous video, just copy-paste the previous code to simplify your life. Of course, don't forget to change the route from register to login. Once the request complete, we have to check the response codes. If the response code is 200, then the request is completed successfully. Once a user log in, the database returns its data inside the response body. I thought to load the data of the user and print it on output panel. If code is 404, that means that user not found on the database. If code is 403, that means user typed an invalid password. It's a test time. Run database. As you can see, we must type a username and a password to log in. If I type an invalid username, I receive this error. If I type an invalid password, I receive this error. But if the password is correct, the database send us the stored data of the user. So guys, we have completed the tutorial. Once you see all the videos of this tutorial, you are going to know how to make a register and login system for your game. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, click the bell to get notified for new videos. Join my Discord server and the server of my game. Help my work by donating in PayPal, and become a Patreon. Thanks. Bye.